Is what's going on with SafeMoon's price right now good or is it bad? What should we really make about it? Well, I'm going to share with you my opinion and my research on this. But before I do get any further into this, I want to say a special shout out thank you to our Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Rem AG. We're currently at 33 Patreon supporters. I appreciate it so much, guys. There's a link in the description if you want to be up on that board for as little as $1 a month. Also, please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I encourage you guys to do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right on into this. SafeMoon's price here holding up at 1703. This is through PancakeSwap version 2. And if you look at the price action movement, it doesn't really look like it's been moving much the last couple days. If you guys take a look at my channel, you will note that I did not do a technical analysis video yesterday. With the volume being as low as it is, I just decided to kind of take a break from it because I don't want to try and just always be making content just for the namesake of be making content. But we got some news that came out today. We're looking even more closer to version 2. We're seeing some price action activity going on with Bitcoin. Right now it's at 48,300. The whole debt ceiling limit, all this other stuff. It's really starting to build up. So I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and come back to this and see where we are now. So volume is down yet again. It's below 5 million for daily trading volume. It's down 12.47% in the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see, right down in the bottom charts there, it does look very, very small on that graph as well. Price movement, the 2 previous days were in the red, slight little pullback. However, when you look at this descending channel of what I've talked about before, guess what? We had that nice little bounce off the bottom level of support, which it was actually establishing that strong level of support back on December 4th. And that climbing back up has broken through this top level of resistance. So there's a pretty good chance that we're going to see this go ahead and push up further. We do have resistance on a shorter time frame right now that's showing very strongly here at 1774. That's a part of that Fibonacci retracement. If it can manage to break above that for today, then we are looking at resistance up at 2224 is the next major level zone. And then I would be looking up at 2729. With the news that we have earlier today, SafeMoon version 2 looks even more likely that it could be in the next 24 hours. I personally think that they're probably going to do it on SafeMoon Sunday, similar to how they had the SafeMoon wallet. There was an update that came out with the reflections tracker. They went ahead and pushed that live while everyone was hanging out in the Twitter space. Last SafeMoon Sunday, they dropped the information about the fact that the deployer wallet for SafeMoon version 2 is now up. We just don't know the contract address officially from the SafeMoon team. We have speculation. I made a video talking about that too. But the actual ability to do the migrations where we are right now, it looks like that's been pushed for the Apple devices. And we're just going to have to wait for the Apple Store to approve it. Once they approve it, then it's at the discretion of the developer team to actually make it go live. So again, I think that it's much more probable for the SafeMoon Sunday. The last SafeMoon Sunday of 2021, it would be a big, huge, the commotion on it would be insane. The marketing opportunity on it, I think, would be insane. We're only 3 days away from it, so why not? If this decides that it wants to pull back, we are seeing it right now resting along this channel. That's at 1674. A further drop down could pull it down to a pretty far drop here. This would be down to 1114. That's on that median zone in which we're more than likely to see a bounce take place, and it's still to make its way as a further continuation up. Okay, now keep in mind, please, that this last major drop, when it dropped down to around that 60 range, right here it's showing it like at 542, but it was right around, I think, the 6 range. That is nearing pretty darn low to the 0, meaning it has absolutely no value whatsoever. So right now we're at 1708. Think about it, guys. It's not 1708 da-da-da-da-da. It's just 1708. We are pretty much at the very bottom of this barrel. So we get version 2 out. You got the exchange listing opportunities. There's so much upswing potential behind this that if they execute on this, it could be looking very nice. Very, very nice indeed. You guys let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. This is what my perspective view is on this right now. If this continues to run sideways, then we're looking at a decisive move by December 15th before we'd have to make an actual decision because of this top level resistance and it falling along the line of the 0.786 for an overextended period of time, in my opinion. I'd be very surprised if it just kept falling along that direction, unless people get really bored or something like that. That's it for this video. I got referral links in the description if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock. It is free money for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live. And I just realized also, by the way, I did a video where we talked about all these different transactions. That happened. There were 21 of them almost simultaneously. And it looks like there's a couple other separate orders now that have just gone through. One account sold 45 billion SafeMoon. They had 426 billion in their balance. And then it shows same wallet address right afterwards, 1 minute later, with the same amount sold, 45 billion. So I guess they sold 90 billion total, and they did it in 2 separate transactions. And I'm not sure if they're going to keep selling more, but that was about 40 minutes ago as of the time of making this video. Yep. So that's it. Thank you guys so much, and stay blessed. I will see you in the next episode.